Hello students, have a good day. Today we are going to see Unit 3 Prose, a prayer to the teacher. Now we will see the author of this lesson, Suprato Bakshi. Suprato Bakshi is an Indian business leader. He is the co-founder and CEO of Mindtree and a business author. He was born in Odisha. Mindtree means Multinational Information Technology, founded in 1999. This lesson, A Prayer to the Teacher, is based on a speech made by Suprato Bakshi. This speech was the convocation address given to the teachers graduated by International Academy for Creative Teaching on January 2005 at Bangalore. He is addressing the teachers graduating from the academy, and he requests the teachers to go beyond the syllabus and teach students the values and skills they need to live a useful and meaningful life. And he says it is a great occasion for the 2005 batch of graduating teachers. It is also a great day for the faculty and administration to have given the world another set of people whose impact is going to be proportionately large. And the speaker says, I am honored to be here with all of you to share your joy, your hopes. As teachers, on behalf of all the lives you will touch, I have a few things to ask of you. Students, let us see the Suprato Bakshi's list to teachers. First, he prays to teach the importance of inclusion to students. What is meant by inclusion? All people being valued irrespective of differences. Speaker Suprato Bakshi stresses on inclusion value in all people irrespective of boundaries like financial, education, caste, physical strength, nativity. So, without a sense of inclusion, we will not know that boundaries are meant to be pushed, not to be lived in. So, the speaker says 3 examples. First, he says, cleaning our house but empty my garbage on the road because we do not feel road is also ours. Secondly, he says, feeding her child in front of hungry servant maid without a humanitarian heart, that she is also a one in our household. Third, he says, not taking the close neighbor's child to the movie along with own child. So the author prays to teach the value of inclusion. Next, Suprato Bakshi's second request. He says, teach students to speak and be able to write so that they can able to convey what they feel. The author's third request. The speaker feels that teachers should prepare the students for the wild world by teaching them newer way and difficult things. Teachers should help the students to learn new things which will create a joy of learning among the students. His fourth request, teach the students not just the concept of rising waves but also teach the reason why the waves are fall. Next he says, teach the students not only the uses of fertilizers and pesticides, teach even the damage they cause by killing the small creature. Teachers must teach about the extent of birds. Suprato Bakshi's fifth request. The author wants to ability to ask questions. If we ask questions, we get answers. If we get answers, we can explore how to establish a better order of things. We will be more willing to accept that when we ask the questions, we can be questioned too. In the end, it helps us to see the truth will emerge. Author's sixth request. The author says, in the world, all things that truly support life come without payment. We do not pay to the cow for the milk. The earth does not ask for money for the crops we get. The sea does not come to get royalties on the catch of the day. The sun, the air, the river, and the clouds do not get paid for their services. So the author requests to teach the power of humility. Suprato Bakshi's seventh request. He wants the students learn the power of silence. We should stress our points without having to raising our voice. And to raise our voice when our silence hurts another life. So the speaker says, I pray to you to teach your students the power of silence. His eighth request. Finally, the author asked the teachers to develop the world view of things by having a one world feeling. He says poverty, disease, and hunger have to be removed. In this world, we don't want to be a foreigner to anyone, and we don't want to treat anyone as a foreigner. All people in this world, all are our brother and sisters. Finally, Suprato Bakshi wants to teach them the power of loving their fellow human beings and teach to appreciate diversity and dialogue. Students, I hope you will understand this lesson. Thank you.